Welcome to Prime Pick Reviews, your trusted source for discovering premium home tech and smart cleaning solutions. In today's video, we explore some of the most advanced robot vacuums and mop combos available right now. From powerful pet hair performers to ultra-slim designs that clean under furniture, we break down the key features, real pros and cons, pricing, and overall value. Whether you're looking for the best mopping performance, a balanced mid-range option, or a high-end all-in-one cleaning system, this guide will help you choose the perfect robot vacuum for your home and lifestyle. Check the product links below for current prices and deals.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kicking off our list is the Narwal Flow, a robot that currently sets the benchmark for mopping performance. If you've ever felt that robot vacuums barely clean and just push dirty water around, this model completely changes that experience. Instead of relying on traditional spinning mop pads, the Narwal Flow uses a continuous roller mop system. This roller actively scrubs the floor using warm water at around 113 degrees Fahrenheit, while an integrated scraper removes dirty residue instantly. The result is real cleaning, not just spreading grime across your floors. Once cleaning is complete, the dock takes over. It thoroughly washes the mop roller with hot water, sterilizes it at approximately 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dries it using warm air. This creates one of the most hygienic self-cleaning systems currently available in a robot vacuum. On the vacuuming side, the Flow delivers 22,000 pascals of suction, which is more than enough for daily dust, debris, and pet hair, even if it's not the most powerful in absolute terms. It also intelligently lifts the mop by about half an inch when detecting carpets, keeping rugs completely dry. Navigation is handled through dual cameras and AI-powered obstacle avoidance, allowing the robot to move confidently around furniture and clutter. It also supports voice control via Hey Nawa, adding another layer of convenience. Priced at around $1,299, the Narwal Flow is clearly positioned as a premium solution with a strong focus on mopping performance. Its key advantages include industry-leading floor washing, an exceptionally clean self-maintenance dock, and reliable suction for everyday use. That said, it's not without limitations. The system consumes a significant amount of water, which means larger homes may require more frequent refills. Additionally, detergent is not added automatically. You'll need to manually mix it into the clean water tank. Even with these minor drawbacks, if deep mopping performance is your top priority, the Narwal Flow stands out as one of the best options on the market today. Coming in next is the eufy E25 Omni, a fantastic option for anyone who wants strong performance without stepping into the ultra-premium price range. Not everyone is ready to spend over $1,000 on a robot vacuum, and this model offers a very balanced alternative. Typically priced between $699 and $899, the E25 Omni sits comfortably in the mid-range category while still delivering a reliable hybrid cleaning experience. It combines a 20,000 pascal suction system with dual rotating mop pads that stay refreshed with clean water during operation. On hard floors, it leaves a clean, streak-free surface, and on low-pile carpets or rugs, the suction power handles daily dirt and debris with ease. One of the most noticeable advantages of the E25 Omni is its quiet performance. Even when running at higher suction levels, it remains less disruptive than many premium competitors. This makes it a great choice for people working from home or those who prefer running their robot overnight without excessive noise. The docking station is also impressive considering the price. It automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and washes and dries the mop pads. This level of hands-free maintenance is usually found in much more expensive models, making it a strong value proposition. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The E25 Omni uses a more basic navigation system based mainly on LiDAR, so it doesn't offer the same level of advanced obstacle recognition as higher-end models. You may still need to remove cables or small objects before starting a cleaning cycle. Its mopping performance is solid but not as intensive as roller-based systems like the Narwal, and it isn't specifically designed for deep carpet cleaning. Even with those limitations, the E25 Omni stands out as a high-value performer. With its quiet operation, self-cleaning dock, and dependable cleaning results, It's an excellent option for apartments or smaller homes where convenience and low noise are top priorities. Moving on, we have the MOVA 60 Ultra Roller Complete, a model designed for homes that deal with heavy dirt, debris, or pet-related messes. If you have pets or frequently deal with mud, hair, or spills, this robot is built specifically for that level of cleaning. The Z60 delivers extremely strong performance, powered by an impressive 28,000 Pascal suction system, placing it among the most powerful robot vacuums currently available. Alongside that suction power, it features a wide hydro roller mop that stays continuously rinsed with fresh water. A set of 12 high-pressure nozzles sprays clean water directly onto the roller, while dirty water is squeezed out simultaneously. This helps prevent the robot from spreading grime across the floor, which is especially useful for cleaning muddy footprints or sticky messes. Pet owners will also appreciate the dual anti-tangle brush design, which effectively collects long hair without frequent clogging. The docking station includes a built-in deodorizing system that helps reduce pet-related odors, adding another layer of convenience beyond basic cleaning. Mobility is another standout feature. Using MOA's Stepmaster 2.0 system combined with the Lift Pro chassis, the Z60 can climb thresholds up to 8 centimeters, while maintaining an ultra-slim body measuring just 96 millimeters. With FlexScope navigation, it can smoothly travel under furniture like beds, sofas, and cabinets, ensuring full floor coverage. Another advantage is the complete accessory package included with the robot. MOA provides spare brushes, rollers, filters, and dust bags designed to last up to 18 months, helping reduce long-term maintenance costs. However, there are a few compromises to consider. While the suction power is extremely strong, running the robot at maximum performance can produce noticeable noise, which may not be ideal for quieter environments. With a price tag of around $1,499, the MOAZ60 offers a strong balance between powerful vacuuming, effective mopping, and long-term accessory value. For households with pets or heavy daily cleaning demands, it stands out as a practical and highly capable option. Next on the list is the Roborock Saros 10R, a robot vacuum that focuses less on extreme power numbers and more on intelligent design and precision carpet cleaning. If your home has tight spaces, low-clearance furniture, and carpeted areas that require deeper cleaning, this model is definitely worth considering. One of the Saros 10R's biggest strengths is its ultra-slim profile, measuring only about 3.14 inches in height. This allows it to reach under beds, sofas, and furniture that many bulkier robot vacuums simply can't access. Despite its slim design, it still delivers strong performance with approximately 22,000 pascals of suction power. While it may not lead the category in raw suction numbers, it is carefully optimized for carpet cleaning performance. In real-world testing, the Saros 10R has shown excellent results in lifting embedded dirt and pet hair from carpet fibers. Paired with its anti-tangle brush system, it performs especially well in homes with high foot traffic or pets that shed frequently. Navigation is handled through StarSight 2.0 technology, which combines advanced cameras and sensors to detect and avoid even smaller obstacles like cables, socks, or pet toys. This allows the robot to move more confidently through cluttered areas while reducing interruptions during cleaning sessions. The docking station also supports automated maintenance. It can wash the mop pads using hot water and dry them with warm air, helping keep the system hygienic while reducing manual upkeep. There are a couple of limitations worth mentioning. While suction performance is strong, it doesn't quite match the raw cleaning power of models like the MOAZ60. Additionally, the Saros 10R sits at a premium price point of around $1,599, making it one of the more expensive options in this lineup. However, for homes where furniture clearance and deep carpet cleaning are the main priorities, the Saros 10R stands out as an extremely smart and efficient solution. Its slim design, precise navigation, and carpet-focused performance make it an excellent choice for complex layouts and rug-heavy homes. Finally, we have the Dreame Aquatin Ultra, which stands out as my top overall robot vacuum and mop combo for 2026. This model combines extreme cleaning power with full automation, making it one of the most complete smart cleaning systems currently available. Starting with vacuum performance, the Aquatin Ultra delivers an incredible 30,000 pascals of suction power, which is among the highest levels we've seen in this category. More importantly, that power translates into real-world results. During testing, it removed nearly all fine dust, sand particles, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets with impressive consistency. Its mopping system is equally advanced. Dreame uses a dual roller design, combining a nylon roller with a soft fluff roller. Together, they scrub floors continuously while rinsing with fresh water during operation. The system also automatically lifts and seals the mop when detecting carpets, ensuring rugs stay completely dry. In terms of deep cleaning effectiveness, this setup competes directly with some of the best mopping systems currently on the market. The docking station takes automation even further. It can automatically empty the dustbin into sealed bags, wash the rollers using extremely hot water, dry them thoroughly, and refill the water tank. It even includes a dust bag drying function designed to reduce moisture and prevent unwanted odors. Navigation is another major strength. The Aqua 10 Ultra uses advanced AI-powered obstacle detection that rivals top competitors like Roborock. In many real-world situations, it demonstrates extremely precise movement around furniture, cables, and everyday obstacles. Battery life is also impressive. With its large-capacity battery, it can clean larger homes in a single session, outperforming several mid-range and even some premium competitors when it comes to runtime. At around $1,599, the Aqua 10 Ultra sits firmly in the premium price category. However, frequent discounts can make it more accessible. It's also worth noting that due to its advanced design and feature set, there are naturally more components that may require maintenance over time, even though the docking system handles most routine upkeep automatically. Overall, for households looking for maximum cleaning performance combined with full hands-free automation, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra delivers one of the most complete solutions available today. Its powerful vacuuming, deep floor scrubbing, intelligent navigation, and advanced self-maintenance system make it a standout premium choice for 2026. That wraps up today's comparison of the best robot vacuum and mop combos available right now. Each of these models excels in different areas, whether it's deep mopping performance, strong pet hair cleaning, quiet operation, or fully automated maintenance. You'll find links to all featured products in the description below if you want to check current prices or deals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Prime Pick Reviews for more in-depth product comparisons and smart buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.